Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about one more built-in functionality of list, that is clear method. As the name suggests, clear method will clear up all the elements from the given list. So let us understand more about it. Clear function in Python is used to remove all the elements from the list, which means it empties the given list but does not delete the list. So what is the meaning of this statement? That means if I have 1000 number of elements in my list, then my clear function will remove all 1000 elements from the list one at a time. But my list will still remain there inside the memory. So clear method is not going to delete my list, but will only clear up all the elements from the list. And what is the syntax for the same? List1 dot clear. So list1 is the given list from which I want to remove all the elements one at a time. And with the help of dot operator, we are using clear method. And inside the clear method, we are not passing any type of argument. For example, list1 is having 5 number of elements. Now, if I'll apply list1 dot clear method, then my print statement is going to give me an empty list. That means list will still be there, but it will be emptied. After using clear method, there will not be any element inside the list. So let us try this functionality practically also. So let me take one list, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of elements I am taking in my list 1. Let us check the identity of it. So that means let us check the memory address of L1. So this is the memory address. Now I'm going to clear up all the elements from my list 1. So I'll be applying L1 dot clear round brackets. And now I'm going to print my L1 to view that how many elements are there after applying clear method. So I'll see that my list is there but empty. That means all the elements are removed, or we can say cleared up. Now if I check the identity again of my L1, it will still be there as of earlier. That means the list is still there at the same memory address, but only the elements are removed from the list. And this I can show you with the help of del function also. Like there is a del function in my list, del L1. If I'll apply delete function on list 1, then what will happen? If I'll be printing my L1, then I'll get this particular error that name L1 is not defined, because my del function has removed list permanently from the memory location. But this is not happening with the help of clear method. Clear method will not delete the list permanently, but will only clear up the elements inside it. So I hope the concept is pretty clear to all of you. Keep watching, keep practicing. I will come with more tutorials in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.